everyone! I had so much fun on that last song that we did, so I spent some time writing a new one! Maybe we could use it to keep getting better at our ABCs! I would love if you would help me again since you did so good last time. Would you do that? Really? Okay, let's give it a try. Oh, I remember. A for apple.
A for apple.
Red apple, green apple, sing with me.
Red apple, green apple, sing with me.
Okay, what about B? Bear. B for bear.
B for bear.
Brown bear, black bear, sing with me.
Brown bear, black bear, sing with me.
I think I got it. Let's try C. C for carrot.
C for carrot.
What color is a carrot again? That's right. Orange carrot, sing with me.
Orange carrot, sing with me.
D for duck.
D for duck.
Yellow duck, sing with me.
Yellow duck, sing with me.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Gray elephant, sing with me.
Gray elephant, sing with me.
F for fish.
F for fish.
Blue fish, green fish in the sea.
Blue fish, green fish in the sea.
G for goose.
G for goose.
White goose, sing with me.
White goose, sing with me.
H for hat.
H for hat.
Red hat, purple hat, sing with me. You're doing great!
Purple
Let's
hat,
keep going.
sing with me.
I for igloo.
I for igloo.
Red igloo, brown igloo, sing with me.
Red igloo, brown igloo, sing with me.
J for juice.
J for juice.
Orange juice, apple juice, sing with me.
Orange juice, apple juice, sing with me.
K for koala in the tree. Gray koala, sing with me.
Gray koala, sing with me.
L for llama.
L for llama.
Blue llama, purple llama, sing with me.
Blue llama, purple llama, sing with me.
M for mouse.
M for mouse.
Brown mouse, yellow mouse, sing with me.
Brown mouse, yellow mouse, sing with me.
N for nest.
N for nest.
Orange nest, blue nest, sing with me.
Orange nest, blue nest, sing with me.
O for owl. What sound does an owl make again? Yeah! Hoo, hoo, hoo. Brown owl, hoo, hoo, hoo. P for paint.
P for paint.
Red paint, yellow paint, sing with me.
Red paint, yellow paint.
Okay, this is a hard one. Ready? Q for quilt.
Q for quilt.
White quilt, black quilt, sing with me.
White quilt, black quilt, sing with me.
R for robot.
R for robot.
Gray robot, green robot, sing with me.
Green robot, sing with me.
S for snake.
S for snake.
Green snake, red snake, sing with me.
Green snake, red snake, sing with me.
T for truck.
T for truck.
Yellow truck, sing with me.
Yellow truck, sing with me.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Green umbrella, blue umbrella, sing with me.
Green umbrella, blue umbrella, sing with me.
V for vest.
V for vest.
Purple vest, red vest, sing with me.
Purple vest, red vest, sing with me.
W for whale.
W for whale.
Orange whale, pink whale, sing with me.
Orange whale, pink whale, sing.
Ready? X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Green xylophone, blue xylophone, sing with me.
Green xylophone, blue xylophone, sing with me.
Y for yo-yo.
Y for yo-yo.
Red yo-yo, purple yo-yo, sing with me.
Red yo-yo, purple yo-yo, sing with me.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Yellow zebra, brown zebra, sing with me.
Yellow zebra, brown zebra, sing with me.
Wow! See, I told you it would be helpful. And I've been singing this all day. I just can't get it out of my head. And if you ever struggle, just try to associate it with an animal or an object. That's what helps me, at least. Well, that's all the time that I have today. But I'm gonna keep working because I really want to be the best at my ABCs. Okay, bye!